We are 2 hours, 16 minutes, and 31 seconds away from the new update. So excited. I can't wait for this area to be opened up where it says it's going to be opening up today. So we are going to be streaming live. Be sure to come and check us out and enjoy the update with us very, very soon. We'll start a little bit before. But in this video, I wanted to go ahead and just take a look at some of the items I've been waiting to get enough of to really sort of take a look and see what it is and how it's going to help us. So I have 15 of these large gift bags and then 56 gift bags. I'm going to go ahead and open all of these up in this video so we can go ahead and take a look and see what sort of things, what sort of items we get that will hopefully help us as we move into the new area. I have been stockpiling my enchantments. I haven't been leveling them up for the past day. And then also my potions, I haven't been leveling those up in order to save up in case we do get some more ranks to go ahead and climb. But let's go ahead and start out with these large gift bags. I'm quite excited. So here we go. We have one. And look, ton of stuff. This is awesome. Awesome. Very cool. Let's go ahead and open up the next one. I wonder if we can see it from this screen. Hopefully that pops up over it. Let's see. It doesn't look like it. It's going to wait. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up all of these and let's see. Love this. This is going to be crazy, guys. Alright, let's open up all of these. Love the noises. Some of the things I'm going to be doing too here before we look at this. Before we look at this, I am going to be going and taking my pet food and also all of my fruits and then some of my exotic potions. So I'm all beefed up, all ready to go for this new area. And so I'm going to go ahead and really come in strong with my potions. Of course, with my enchants here, keep my strongest enchants here, and then hopefully I'll be able to level up this one. I don't know if I can level this one up or not. Maybe we'll go ahead and see this. But let's see what we got here. Bunch of stuff. Look at all of this. I'm hoping for some oranges. Oh, look at that. We got a red TNT. Hopefully we get some more exotic. Is that it? Looks like that is it. So that was a mixture of pretty much everything that we were able to get from that. So with our potions, excuse me, it'll be easier for us to go ahead and upgrade into the different areas and everything else. I hope you guys are excited, and I do want to do one thing though. I'm going to go ahead and swing on over to the Crimson Forest and see if I can upgrade, which is where we go for... I want to do this upgrading enchants to see if we can go ahead, because we do have 7 of them now. So we can... This is just epic. Okay, so this is just epic. It does not look like we can do that. All right, I was hoping that we would be able to upgrade past... Let me show you guys. I was hoping I would be able to upgrade... Yeah, that's right. Okay, sorry. Past here for legendary for blast. I don't know if we need to get more in order to get it larger or not. Not really sure. But I actually like the coin bonus, so we'll keep that up there. But hopefully we can go ahead and make this into a mythical or an exotic, this blast. I don't know how many we would need. If you know, please do let us know in the comments. Let me also know if you are excited about this update. I am. It's about time for me to go through and open up all of these free potions and claims. I try to do this every 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. Most of them are active then. So be sure to continue to get your stuff and don't upgrade until, just in case we get some more ranks. So looking forward to it. Cannot wait. Those gift bags are awesome. Got a ton of awesome stuff. I hope the currency stays the same because I do have 1.17 million platinum bars stockpiled. So hopefully this is going to be usable once the new area opens up and it doesn't switch coins. let me know your thoughts, and we'll be starting the live about 11:45 here, like 15 minutes before the update goes live. All right, take care, and we will see you back here. Cannot wait for this. It's going to be awesome. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.